Some of the features that are included in the mobile device are the forms that mimic the forms in the Pi manual logger. We also saw that there is a history and trend available, and security options to log in as different users, such as data collector users or administrator users. These users have to be created and defined in Pi manual logger before they can be used in the PDA. Whenever collecting data for a tour that contains many tags, barcodes can be used to navigate through the tags so that an operator can collect data, scanning the equipment, and when the equipment is scanned, manual logger will take you directly to the tag that's associated with that barcode, and it'll be ready for you to enter the data. The manual logger mobile can also be configured such as there is a single user mode and single tour mode. The single user mode disables the login screen where you have to enter a username and password. So when you are on single user mode and you open PyML mobile in the PDA, there will be no login screen. It will take you directly to the tours. If you are on single tour mode, then the PDA will be enabled only for one tour, and when you open PyML mobile, you will be taken directly to that mode. This is useful when a PDA has been set aside for a specific task or tour, and it will only be used to collect that data. Let's see how these features are incorporated into manual logger. Under manual logger, I can go to mobile devices, mobile device settings, and I can see general information on the location of the database, a temporary folder that can be used in the PDA to hold the data before it is being transferred. This is useful for tours that contain large amounts of information, and you can create a folder in a flash card, a detachable card, and that will save you memory in the PDA. Later we will configure the web service server address for wireless communication between the PDA and the PC. Under the device modes tab, this is where we see the single user mode option that allows you to log into or open PyML mobile without having to log in using a username and password. The single tour mode enables the PDA to hold only one tour. We can see that in here we can enable the web services, and there is also a enable a smart minimize icon on the device to minimize the application.